In the realm of typewriters, the IBM Selectric is a legend. Released in 1961, it revolutionized typing with its golf ball element, replacing traditional type bars. Did you know this machine was the first to allow typists to change fonts? Simply swap the golf ball. Fact 2. It was the first typewriter to introduce correcting tape, making typos a thing of the past. Thirdly, the Selectric's design was so striking it earned a spot in the Museum of Modern Art. Fact 4. It was the tool of choice for Stanley Kubrick while penning his scripts. Finally, the Selectric's keyboard layout became the basis for today's computer keyboards. IBM Selectric, a true game changer in the world of typing.